We want to test for how it feels when you have it back to the enemy and you're just locking on. I feel like we can go even quicker. We can lock on even quicker. Here, what if he's not looking at him? Okay, yeah, let's triple that speed because look, what if I'm not looking at the Rady's not looking at him, but as a player, I want to lock onto him, and then I hit tab. That's still slow to me. We're so close, like that's doing exactly the right thing. It's just a little slow to me still. Okay, here we go. Here's where I can test the. See, it's locking on to somebody who's. Oh, no, I did it. Hang on, let me try that again. Yep, no, I did it. I think it might have been just one incident. Um, like. mm. It's so satisfying. We got that bomb down really well. Or you did. And I love the new VFX actually, even though it's a little more realistic than for the style. Actually, no, we are going realistic style because with all the rock textures and the grass textures and the just everything, the bricks, especially with Rady's fur now, which I'm gonna lower the intensity of. Okay, I think we're good, Andy. I think we are good. Should have tested. Getting that rabbit hole real quick, so shouldn't do that again. If we can fix this though, whoa, look at that, a little dust coming out. That's kind of cool. That's a cool effect. I don't know if probably don't want it in there. I don't know. I want to say we can't have the dust like that. I shouldn't have the dust like that. But one thing I'm noticing is that sometimes it goes in really slowly, or I think that was when I was lagging. Nope, I think we're good. I would prefer him like shooting a lot faster, almost like a Looney Tunes cartoony kind of shooting. That's one of those things where you can put on the back burner. It's not urgent right now. There's going to be more urgent things. Okay, I just want to test one more thing. The issue I was having was, yep. So I'm not having that issue anymore. So basically, I was looking this way, and even though a thun was closer to me, behind me, it still locked onto somebody further away, but it didn't do that. So I think we're good.